Come on.
Come on.
What is it, boy?
Look on.
I need urgent rescue. A giant python is killing an elephant.
Okay, team, this is critical. We need to move fast.
Our primary objective is to secure the perimeter here and here.
Rescue formation. Shields, forward. Move! Secure the area. Prepare for intervention.
On my signal. Spray.
Spray.
Push, almost there. Let's get this done. Gently now, just a bit more.
Oh, that was close.
I thought we lost it.
Good work, team.
Okay, let's get this ramp ready.
Almost there, just a few more adjustments.
Watch your step on the left side.
It's okay, you can do it. Slowly now.
All right, almost done here.
Just one more check, then we're good to go. Okay, the ramp is down. Let's move in.
You are doing so well, my dear.
Yes, keep eating.
They seem to be adapting well.
Yes, their behavior is quite promising.
Even predators deserve appropriate care.
You're a hero, yes you are.
Well done, everyone. That was a truly successful mission.
Yeah. We really pulled together as a team out there. Couldn't have done it without you all.
The wounds are healing very well.
She is doing so much better. Thank you so much for everything.
It's our we're seeking our
It's our pleasure.
That's it.